Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, and welcome back to the series of lecture on parts of speech. Today we are going to have our lecture number 15 and it will be all about modal verbs. In this lecture we will study what are modal verbs, why they are used, how they are used, and lastly we are going to have practice set with answers to strengthen our concepts. You all are requested to subscribe this channel so that you are going to get all the videos in a go. Let's get started. So students, we are going to start our lecture from what is modal verb. A modal verb is a type of the verb that is used to indicate modality. Modality means special feature or special quality. The list of the modal verbs are here in front of you. It includes should, ought, could, may, might, be able of, can, will, would, and must. Why they are used in a sentence? They are used with other verbs to impress or express ability, obligation, possibility, suggestion, and so on. Means modal verbs are going to act very differently from other verbs. They are going to express ability of something or someone, obligation towards someone, or the possibility of the thing, or likely chances of something to occur, or the suggestion from someone to someone. Let's see how modal verbs are used. Each modal verb have different meanings and they are used according to different senses in a sentence. Let's have a look on modal verbs along their meanings and examples. Modal verb can. Meaning is to express ability. Example, I can speak a little Russian. It means it is going to express ability in the sentence. Next usage of can is to request permission. Can I open the window? It is indicating a permission or a request. Number 2, may. May is used to express possibility. I may be home late. It is the possibility that I'll be late. Next, may is used to express the request or permission. May I sit down, please? It is actually seeking for the permission. Next is must. To express obligation, we use must. I must go now. That it is very much necessary for me to leave now. Next usage of must is to express strong belief. She must be over 90 years old. This is the strong belief that I am pretty sure that she is 90 plus. Next is should. Should is used to give advice to someone. You should stop smoking. Next is would. Would is used to request or offer. Would you like a cup of tea? This is a special offer towards someone. Next is would. Another use of would is in if sentences or conditional sentences. If I were you, I would say sorry. These were the precise usage of the modal verbs. You have been noticed here that each modal verb is expressing different meanings. Rules of modal verbs. As all the verbs are going to act differently, they are going to play the different action or function in a sentence. Modal verbs are the same of them. They also have rules. Let's see the rules towards the modal verbs. Number 1. Modal verbs are unlike other verbs. They are not very much similar to the verbs, but they are the category from the verb. But they are from the category of the verb. Number 2 is they do not change their form and spelling. This is very much important thing, that they are not going to change their form with respect to the present or past, and neither they change their spellings. Number 3 rule. They have no infinitive or participle form, neither past participle nor present participle. They are not going to use with infinitive, they only use with the bare infinitive form. They are used in a sentence with the main verbs. They are used with bare infinitives. These were the set of rules regarding to the modal verbs. Now we are going to deal with a very important section in a modal verb, that is tips of modal verbs. Students, tips are very much important in order to deal with the modal verbs correctly in a sentence. Let's have a look. Modals are auxiliary verb. They do not need an additional auxiliary in negatives or question sentences. Examples. Number 1, must I come? Now in this example, must is used as a question word here. You cannot use additional auxiliary here in order to make it question sentence. It will be wrong to say, do I must come. Example number 2, he shouldn't smoke. In this example, we have used not with simple modal, that is should. We cannot use additional auxiliary here in order to make it negative. It is wrong to say he should smoke. Next, we are going to strengthen our concepts by quiz. Quiz number 1. I didn't feel very well yesterday. I ate anything. Option 1, cannot. Option 2, couldn't. Option 3, mustn't. Quiz number 2. You look at me when I am talking to you. Option 1, could. Option 2, should. Option 3, would. Quiz number 3. I was using my pencil a minute ago. It be here somewhere. Option 1, can. Option 2, could. Option 3, must. Option 4, would. Question number 4. You really be late again. Option 1, must not. Option 2, don't have to be. Quiz 5. If you don't start working harder, you repeat the course next year. Option 1, have to. Option 2, must. Option 3, will have to. Question number 6. His parents spoil him. He is always to do whatever he wants. Option 1, been able. Option 2, been allowed. Question number 7. Phone her now. She home by now. Option 1, she has to be. Option 2, she must be. Option 3, she would be. Question number 8. You forget your sun cream. It's going to be very hot. Option 1, don't have to. Option 2, must not. Option 3, need not. Question number 9. I be able to help you, but I am not sure yet. Option 1, might. Option 2, would. Question number 10. Entrance to the museum was free. We pay to get in. Option 1, need not. Option 2, did not need to. Now students, you all requested to pause the video here and mark your answers from 1 to 10. Let's see the answers. 1 goes with option 2. Question number 2 goes with option 2. Question number 3 goes with option 3. Question number 4 goes with option 1. Question number 5 goes with option 3. Question number 6 goes with option 2. Question number 7 goes with option 2. Question number 8 goes with option 2. Question number 9 goes with option 1. Question number 10 goes with option 2. I hope so that you have been marked all the quiz right. If not, then don't worry, just get back to the video, replay it and get on the concepts. I am pretty sure that by practice you can get on it. You all are requested to subscribe this channel so that you are going to get all the videos in a go. Thank you.